Anna McPherson from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to our latest listing at 43 Rodney Street in Taranganba. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home situated on a 672 metre square allotment has side access to the 4x11 metre shed with high clearance. Let's head on in and have a look. What I love most about this property has to be the functional layout and the open plan living. I love the way that the lounge, dining and kitchen interconnect. Isn't this a shed? As mentioned earlier, 4x11 metres with power and high clearance. Absolutely perfect for a workshop, your boat or caravan. So guys, there you have it for 43 Rodney Street in Taranganba. If you're looking for a low maintenance property with ample room for the boat and caravan, please do not hesitate to contact Adam Cook or myself. We'd love to show you through.